Y'all give me like 5 minutes. Alright. Okay, what y'all learned in the last room? Somebody tell me what they learned. What'd you learn?
I learned that if we should have safety kits if a severe storm.
What'd you learn? Same thing? What'd you learn?
I learned that if it's a pot on a stove that's hot and the handle's sticking out, you should turn it to the side so little kids can't get pull it so it won't fall.
Right. What's going to happen if it falls on?
It burns them.
It's going to burn them. Has anybody here ever got burned?
Yes.
Got hot?
Yes.
It's not good, is it?
No.
Birds hurt. Right. Y'all, let's go over this room right here and then we're going to get out of here, okay? What's the teacher's name?
Halsted.
Holliston?
Halsted.
Halsted, okay. Alright. So y'all, what room are we in?
We are in the bedroom.
Why do you think we're in the bedroom?
Because it's a bed in there.
We all got bedrooms, don't we?
Yeah.
Who likes to hang out in the bedroom? We all like to hang out in the bedroom? What'd you say? No, what'd you say? Tell everybody what you said. You helping me out. What'd you say?
I told you they need to move, man. I'm tired, man.
He's tired. All right. Yo, what do we do in the bedroom?
Go to sleep.
All right. Go to sleep. So, yep. So, if I'm at home, what's your name? Jaden. I'm kind of laid back a little bit. All right, everybody kind of take a look at Jaden. All right. Jaden, I want you to take a nap. Pretend you're asleep. Shut your eyes, pretend you're asleep. Okay, so it's the middle of the night. All right, Jaden's at home asleep. She's at home asleep. Okay, if the house catches on fire, what's the most important thing for her to do?
She gotta wake.
What she gotta wake up? What she gotta do when she wakes up?
Jump out the window.
Why she gotta jump? Get out of the house, right? Okay, what's gonna help her wake up? What's gonna help her wake up?
The alarm.
The alarm, right? Okay, so everybody, we're gonna put a little bit of smoke in here, but it's not gonna hurt you. So go back to sleep. Okay. Everybody else kind of cover you. You can't cover you if you sleep. You don't know no good. All right, ready? See what happens. Here we go. Smoke, please. I'm it. All right. Okay. Y'all, what's going on? Did that wake you up?
Yeah.
All right, everybody. Hold on just a minute. Y'all, that's what it's going to sound like. So, Jaden, you were asleep. Did that wake you up? Okay. Now, hold on. What do we have to do?
Find the nearest exit.
Okay, come here, help me out. Okay. I want you to point out 3 ways I can get out of this room. How about this door here? Okay. I want you to come and check this door. What's your name? Alicia's. Okay. Alicia's gonna come. Y'all, before we don't ever just open the door, right? So, no, don't grab it. Okay. Always take the back side of your hand and see if it's what? See if it's hot.
Are you listening?
Right here.
What did you just see? Put your hand
So
on there.
it's kind of warm, right?
Feel it if it's warm.
Okay. She said this door was warm. Okay, what's your name?
Lineages.
Okay, go ahead and say thank you. I want you to feel this door, and then I want you to go feel that door. Okay?
Oh, no.
Is that warm? It's hot? Okay, check that door for me. Check that door. It's not hot. Okay, y'all. So this door was hot, but that door is not, right? Okay, so which way would we go out? Okay, because it's not hot. Alright? So y'all, I'm going to put a little bit more smoke in here, and y'all are going to have to kind of get down, and some is going to go out the window, and some's going to go out the door, okay? Alright, y'all. Okay, everybody hold tight. Whenever we get out of the house, where are we supposed to go to?
To a family meeting place.
Meeting place. You took this before, haven't you?
I had to.
Okay, we go to a meeting place, alright? Our meeting place is going to be on the ramp outside of the school door here where you came out, okay? So, like the people on this side, you go out the door, we're going to get a couple out the window, but we all got to get out, okay? But we don't run over each other, we do it kind of slow and order like a fire drill, okay? Alright, so here's the smoke. Everybody ready? We got to get out. Where's the smoke?
Right there.
Look at it again.
Thank you.
Okay, hold on, y'all. Alright, remember, we got to check doors and we got to get out, okay? Alright, guys. Slow and orderly. Okay, we got a door. I checked my door. It's good. All right, buddy. Let's go out. Okay, some coming out the window. They'll help you out the window. Some coming out the door. Everybody get low. Gotta stay low. Come on. Good job, guys. Good job. Gotta stay low.
Go.
All right. All right. We got 3 more, guys. We gotta get out. Y'all got this. All right, we got a couple more. We got to get out. We got to get out, guys.